We are just arrived at the entrance of Camellia Karkar. This is their main entrance and exit of the subdivision. And these are the community, the neighborhoods of Camellia Karkar. Sige, video lang.
Grabe naman Sir Ulay.
We just finished viewing the house here in Camellia, and this will be the front of your house, and that's the house over there, the second, and this is the front of your house. It's a big open space. Your dogs and your kids can play, and that's the main entrance and exit of Camellia, and it's just about maybe less than 2 minutes walk from here is already the community public market, so it's not worry for you if your concern is public market. And for this time we will go to the community basketball court. They don't have swimming pool here, but they have basketball court, and that's the thing that we are going to check right now. That's the basketball court of Camellia Karkar, that one. And these are the neighborhoods inside this exclusive subdivision. We are approaching subdivision, the phase 2 of Lumina here in Kanasuhan, Karkar. I know this is not Kanasuhan, this is Upper Perilos, Karkar. And what we can see here is just we would just like to drive inside this community. This is a small subdivision, We will just show you what's inside here, what's happening inside here, and this is it. This is the situation inside this Lumina Phase 2. In Karkar, there are two Luminas, the Phase 1 and the Phase 2. In the Phase 1, available houses there are so in Karkar, there are two Lumina, the Lumina Phase 1 and the Lumina Phase 2. In the Phase 1, all the houses there are socialized housing, one-story row houses, and in here, two-story townhouses. And this is what you can, although gagmay ang houses dire, no, pero murag peaceful siya. Na-notice niyo? Murag dili siya badagang bata. This is not very big subdivision. A small subdivision, and let's go na home. Let's go outside. So this is the situation inside in this Lumina Phase 2. This is near to the market, schools, and also near to the highway. I guess we will try to drive from here going the highway so that you can see. Hello?
Push.
Okay na.
Push na.
Sige, okay na patay.
I-play. Play dito lang ito lang. Play.
And we are going to the exit. We exit this subdivision and we drive from the Phase 2 of Lumina going to the highway so that you can see what's up there. And there are available motorcycle from here going to the market, or that one going to the market or to schools. So if you don't have your private vehicle, transportation here is not a problem. So we will go, our way must be going right because we are going to the highway. And that's the subdivision entrance and exit. And this is the outside situation here. And we will go now to the highway. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, hit that button like, and you can share the video. You can comment to the video down below. You can comment your suggestion, your reaction, and it will really help us to make more of this channel. And this part is one of the best part here because you have an ocean view, and there are lots of baligya sa kilid-kilid. Daghan na diri magtambay every afternoon kay for the food trip like that. They have barbecue or something like this. And we are now approaching to the highway. Thank you for watching the video from start to finish, and we are now on the highway, and this will signals that our video will end here. Thank you once again. If you are going to Cebu City, you must go left, and this is the Camellia Karkar signage. Thank you so much. God bless you all.